In the US, we're very fortunate to have an insane amount of credit cards available to apply for, especially in the cashback space, and that can oftentimes confuse a lot of people because with so many options come a lot of questions like which one should I get, which one's best for me, which one has the best rewards, and on it goes. So this is my wallet, and inside the wallet you'll find a lot of credit cards which you'll have to wait to see in a separate video, but for today's video we'll be looking at the cashback portion because we're talking all about the best cashback credit cards. I've narrowed it down to just the top 5 that may be able to give you $200 or more of cashback depending on how you use them. So stick around because Mark's top 5 picks for the best cashback credit cards right now as of late June / early July 2022 are coming up. Hey everyone, it's Mark. I'm here to help you put more money in your pocket through credit cards and smart financial habits. If that sounds good to you, do me a quick favor and click on the like and subscribe button down below this video. Also check out those links down below in the description area if you want to earn some more cashback on top of your credit cards when you shop online through Rakuten, to get some free stocks from Webull when you open a new account and deposit any amount, and to view my all-new site with some great credit card offers that I've organized into different categories to help you find the cards that you like best. The first card on my list is the Capital One SAVOR 1 card. The welcome offer as of the end of June 2022 is to earn $200 of cash back after spending $500 on purchases within the first 3 months. Now, the ongoing cashback categories on this card are absolutely insane. You will earn 8% back on Capital One entertainment purchases, 8% back on Vivid Seats purchases through January 31st, 2023, 5% on hotels via the Capital One travel portal, 5% on rental cars via the same Capital One portal, 3% on dining, entertainment, streaming services, and grocery stores, and then 1% back on all other purchases, all for a $0 annual fee. And it is a complete mystery to me how Capital One's able to make that work from a profitability standpoint in their business model. This card might be too good to be true forever, so as long as it lasts in its current form, I guess you could say, this card is definitely worth getting as long as the reward categories fit in alignment with where you spend your money, because 8%, 5%, tons of 3%, and then that base 1% altogether, that average return is just ridiculous. To redeem your cashback, you can choose a statement credit and apply it directly toward your card balance or against a specific purchase, and then also request a check via mail to the address that you have on your online account. There are also automatic redemption preferences where you can set a time each calendar year, basically to auto redeem the cashback, that way you never have to think about it, or also when a threshold has been reached, like $25, $50, etc. So once you hit that point, then the cashback will be triggered. And in terms of the main benefits of this card, Capital One gives you access to a lot of portals, including their dining, entertainment, travel, and shopping portals, plus a complimentary concierge service, virtual card numbers from Eno, no foreign transaction fees, extended warranty coverage, and travel accident insurance. While I won't be going into an in-depth discussion of all the benefits and insurance coverages in this type of video where I'm doing 5 cards in one video, you can of course check it all out directly on all the bank's websites, or look up the individual card reviews that I also put on the channel. Now on to card number 2. The Citi Custom Cash Card. The welcome offer as of June 2022 is to earn $200 of cash back after spending $750 on purchases in the first 3 months. You'll also receive a 0% APR on the card for the first 15 months on purchases and balance transfers, then a variable APR to follow. Do note that this offer will be fulfilled as 20,000 thank you points, so if you log into your account and you see points instead of cashback, don't freak out. Those points can still be redeemed for cashback. Then as you continue using this card in your day-to-day life, here are the rewards categories. You'll earn 5% back in your top eligible spend category, and here's what that means. That cashback will be earned in the category where you spent the most each billing cycle, so it can really change every single month. And it's valid on the first $500 spent. Then beyond that spend, it's 1% cash back until it refreshes the following billing cycle. Then 1% back on everything else, and the annual fee is $0 on this card. Now to make that a little more clear, here's the list of current eligible 5% categories. They include restaurants, gas stations, grocery stores, select travel, select transit, select streaming services, home improvement stores, live entertainment, drug stores, and fitness clubs. So in whichever category you happen to spend the most for a given billing cycle is where you'll earn the 5% back. Now, as mentioned, this card does earn points, but you can redeem them for cash back still at a good rate. So you can choose from a direct deposit to a Citi checking or savings account, or to an external account with a different bank if you link it, and also choose a statement credit to lower your card balance or get a check by mail. All of your points will be worth 1 cent each for cash back. That's where 20,000 points will be worth $200. As for the main benefits, nothing really special here. It's pretty much the core benefits that all credit cards have these days. You get automatic account alerts, contactless payments, digital wallet compatibility, select your payment due date, and 24/7 customer service. Not a great card for benefits, but a fantastic card to earn 5% in categories that can fluctuate based on where you spend. So that flexibility is a huge value. On to card number 3. The Amex Blue Cash Preferred. The welcome offer as of June 2022 is to earn $350 of cash back issued as a statement credit. You can earn this after spending $3,000 in the first 6 months from opening your card account. You'll also receive a 0% APR on purchases for the first 12 months, then a variable APR to follow, plus $0 introductory fees on buy now, pay later Planet plans that you make during the first 12 months, then a fixed monthly fee of up to 1.33% after that. Nice to have those financing options if you need them, for example, for an emergency or something like that, but if you don't need them, just don't even use them. Whatever you charge to the card, say $750 for all of your monthly expenses, pay off the full $750 when you get your bill to avoid interest and also build smart financial habits in the meantime. Then for those of you who spend quite a bit on food and watching shows, this card can be a great fit for your wallet. You'll earn 6% on groceries at US supermarkets on up to $6,000 spent per year. Beyond that, it's just 1%, and 6% back on streaming, that is select US subscriptions. You'll also receive 3% back on transit, including taxis, ride shares, parking, tolls, and more, and 3% on US gas stations. Finally, 1% back on all other purchases, and the annual fee on this card is $95. Now, since this card does carry an annual fee, you want to make sure that the cashback you earn per year outweighs the annual fee, ideally by a significant amount so that we can really profit. So if you earn $120 of cash back, minus a $95 annual fee, well, you've only earned $25 over 12 months. That's not very good. And since the goal is to maximize how much of this that you can earn, if you're not a moderate to big spender, you might be better off with a no annual fee card. So run your own numbers, see what you come out with, make sure that you do profit. Otherwise, again, check out some other cards. Now, the redemption options on this card have become much more limited over the years. Right now, it's just a statement credit, but that's still great to lower your bill. So the cashback is earned in the form of Blue Cash Reward dollars. You redeem those as a statement credit to offset your balance, and the minimum redemption amount is $25. So if your statement balance was $700 and you have $400 worth of Blue Cash Reward dollars, you can redeem those as a statement credit to offset part of that $700. So $700 minus $400, now you only have to pay $300 toward your bill to pay it off in full with cash. And the main benefits are as follows: a $120 Equinox Plus credit issued as $10 per month, car rental loss and damage insurance, extended warranty, purchase protection, return protection, global assist hotline, an instant card number if eligible, a complimentary shop runner membership, and access to Amex offers. Now let's continue our cashback train with card number 4. We've got the Chase Freedom Flex card. The welcome offer as of June 2022 is to earn $200 of cash back after spending $500 in the first 3 months, plus 5% back at gas stations, up to $6,000 spent in the first year, and a 0% intro APR on purchases and balance transfers for the first 15 months, then a variable APR to follow. And similar to the Citi Custom cash offer, this offer will also be fulfilled in the form of points, that is 20,000 Chase Ultimate Rewards points. As you continue earning cashback beyond the bonus, here are the different multipliers. First is the 5% quarterly category. In other words, you'll earn 5% in certain types of spend categories like gas, groceries, streaming, etc., and those can change every quarter of the year, or in other words, every 3 months. You'll earn at the 5% rate on up to the first $1,500 spent in the combined quarterly categories, then 1% beyond that until it refreshes the next quarter, and you must activate each quarter for this to work. Otherwise, it's just 1% all the time, so definitely activate. You'll then earn 5% back on travel when booked through the Chase Ultimate Rewards portal, and 3% on dining at restaurants, including takeout and eligible delivery services, plus 3% at drugstores. Finally, 1% on all of the purchases, and the annual fee on this card is $0. On the redemption side, again, you will be earning points, but you can still redeem them at 1 cent per point for cash back. That is a direct deposit to a Chase account or an external account with another bank that you link to your Chase profile, or as a statement credit to offset your balance. So as an example here, with the 1 cent per point valuation, 20,000 points is $200, just like 100,000 points would be worth $1,000. And here's a rundown of the main benefits. You'll receive cell phone insurance, purchase protection, extended warranty protection, trip cancellation and interruption insurance, auto rental collision damage waiver, travel and emergency assistance services, and some partner benefits with Lyft, Fandango, HelloFresh, and ShopRunner. And last up, we've got our 5th and final card. I actually kind of surprised myself by adding this one, but since it underwent a recent refresh, it's become very competitive and it's now one of the best long-term keeper cards that you can get. So here it is. It's the PayPal Cashback Mastercard. Right now, there is no welcome offer available. That could change in the future. We'll have to see what offers may come out at some point. But for right now, it's really not about the upfront value, rather the long-term value you get with the rewards multipliers. You can earn 3% back on all PayPal purchases, that is, using this card as your payment method and paying via PayPal at checkout, and also 2% back on all other purchases, all with no annual fee. And that makes this card one of the best options out there right now for online shoppers, because whenever you see the checkout or pay with PayPal option, that could be a 3% opportunity. For redeeming your cash back, you can redeem it directly into your PayPal balance or your PayPal wallet. That way you can use it to pay wherever PayPal is accepted, or choose a direct deposit and transfer it out to your bank account like a checking or a savings. And for the main benefits, you've got purchase protection when you shop with PayPal. You can also pay via QR code directly from the PayPal app where available and have your card linked to that payment method. That way you still earn your 3%. And of course, ID theft protection. And to wrap it all up, here are all 5 cards side by side on one visual for you all. That way you can see which one may be a good fit for you based on where you spend the most amount of your money each month. Given that these are all cashback credit cards, you don't have to be loyal to just one bank. Rather, you can mix and match different cards across different issuers, because you can redeem your cash back to offset your bills, or send them all out to a common checking account if you wish to indirectly combine all your cash back. Of course, feel free to pause the screen as long as you'd like. And with all that said, if you enjoyed today's video and believe it could benefit other people, then please help me get it in front of them by liking this video, subscribing to the channel, and turning on notifications. Also, check out those links down below in the description area if you want to earn some more cash back on top of your credit cards when you shop online through Rakuten, to get some free stocks from Webull when you open a new account and deposit any amount, and to view my all-new site with some great credit card offers that I've organized into different categories to help you find the cards that you like best. I thank you all for watching today's video. I hope it brought you some great value and some new ways to put some more of this in your wallet. I look forward to seeing you in future videos, and while you're waiting on my next upload, remember always that you are great.